Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Fix It and Forget It 5 ingredient favorites cookbook again. Going to be cooking and taste testing the chicken cacciatore with mushrooms by Lucy O'Connell on page 60. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see future videos from this channel. I will also be placing a link in the description down below if you would like to purchase this book. So let's get started. Okay, I am here at my slow cooker and ready to get started. I'm going to first put in my chicken. Now my vegetables. Spaghetti sauce. I'm going to add a little extra garlic. And some white wine. I'm going to turn this on and get it going. The suggested cooking time is 8 hours for this recipe. I'm cooking half of the recipe because I'm a single person, so I don't think it's going to take 8 hours, so I'll be checking it periodically as it cooks. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are just about finished with our sauce and chicken. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I did add a couple of ingredients that were not in the original recipe. I added a teaspoon of minced garlic and a dash of olive oil. And as I mentioned earlier, I made only half of the recipe. And this is what I'm going to be using for my pasta, this angel hair pasta. I like this because it cooks up quick and I just like angel hair pasta. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my plate ready, and as you can see, I'm ready to give it a try. I did sprinkle it with some Italian cheese mix, just to dress it up some. It is still a little hot, so give me just a second. That is actually really good, especially with the cheese on top. It's similar to like a chicken spaghetti. I think what I would add next time is some olives, maybe a can of diced tomatoes. But it is good as it is, and you could even, If you just want to make it with the minimal ingredients, just make it with the 5 ingredients that are listed in the recipe. And it would still turn out good. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up dinner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.